it requires courage to be vulnerable. You know, so to keep on doing this again and again and again and again, we're forming a new culture, we're forming community, we're forming transformational networks. And imagine having this with a partner, imagine having this with your family, with your team, at work, how much energy you wouldn't have access to now that you spent on trying to suppress the fact that you're shit scared at work and you want to perform and kind of compensate for how fake you feel by overperforming and overworking, thinking that when the boss's angry face is on, it's about you and about he's about to fire you. Like, there's so much energy spent on trying to manage this terror from the past in the present, that if you can, as an organization, bring this very basic fundamental nervous system awareness into connection, you know, can we get to that place where animals are safe, they want to play? And it also ties into belonging, you know, and this is the fundamental need of us human beings. We need to belong, to be part of. And this is the purpose, like, to know who I am and why I'm here. Like, if you can unlock that within a family or within a team, you have superhuman potential right there.